Here is my feet on gout. So if you can tell, this is what my normal ugly feet look like. And then when it's on gout, it gets puffy, as you can see, versus you see more of a curve. This becomes more puffier, and then it becomes reddish right here along the toe. When I first got gout, it was actually on this toe, but recently I've been having gout issues, so it's been on this toe, which is hard to drive on. But this is an example of gout. So this feels like right now, it feels like little stabbing pains. Not as bad, because I can still touch it. So usually it hurts a lot, but if I can touch it, it's not the worst. But it doesn't feel good. It's hard to walk, but I can walk gingerly on it. Here's a different angle if you needed it. It's obviously the right is bigger and red. Hi guys, it's November 17th. It's been over a week since my last clip there. There's still some swelling, as you can see, and a little redness there. It's not as bad, but it still hurts to put pressure on there. Or not hurts as much as very discomforting. Like something's lodging between my my ligaments there. But I got my blood test drawn, so waiting for the doctor to see what the deal is. So hopefully I can get on allopurinol. Hey guys, it's the first of the new year, and now I'm on allopurinol. I've actually been on it for a few weeks now. Taking 100 milligrams tablets, 2 of them for 200 milligrams a day. Daily I take one in the morning, I take one in the evening, just to spread it out. My doctor said that since I was having it for 2-3 months of gout attacks, that it's best now to start going to allopurinol. It'll probably be better for me in the long run. It really affected the way I work, and it was even hard to drive to work some days. So hopefully this balances everything out. The reason why I had so many gout attacks is actually because I lost a decent amount of weight, like 20 pounds. I think losing weight caused me to have gout attacks. So with the allopurinol, at least in the beginning, I had to also take colchicine, 1 tablet daily. So I usually take it in the morning with my medicine. And this will help with any gout attacks during the first taking of allopurinol. Usually, for some reason, when you take allopurinol, you tend to have gout attacks. I'm not sure why. I think it's just getting your body adjusted. So this is actually more expensive than the allopurinol. I'm only paying like $16 for 3 months. And this colchicine was like $30 for 3 months. So that's it for now. Hopefully that gives you an idea of what I'm doing. In case you want some history, I'm actually 43 right now. So I got gout when I was first at 36, 37 gout attack. So it can happen at any age. Honestly, I've heard people in the 20s getting it. So take care of your body. Drink a lot of water. Drink water all the time. So take care. Bye.